This is just a gate.
Just similar to the one that
That's similar to one, but this is more beautiful, which I will explain you, then you can understand it.
okay, front,
So I'll explain you here, then you can understand what you're going to see actually. Okay, I told you the name of the king who built the Taj Mahal. Do you remember? Okay, that's okay. Shah Jahan. You know, Shah Jahan. And the name of the queen, Mumtaz Mahal. You know Taj Mahal? Just add Mumtaz Mahal. And very sad thing, she couldn't see Taj Mahal because she died. Then he built it in her memory. So that's why it's great in love actually. And there are 3 gates to enter in the Taj Mahal. Where you enter from the east gate, west,
And north.
south, south. Actually, there are 3 gates to get in the Taj Mahal, and this is the northern gate to see the Taj Mahal. You know, can you count how many white domes on the top? Small one in a one row?
11.
I think you count already.
Yeah, sorry, I started counting.
Yeah, 11 and 11 over there.
What does this
22. It means 22 years represented the
took
span
that.
of construction of Taj Mahal. It took 22 years. And there is a story about the gates actually. That's the eastern gate. Outside of that gate, there is a building. Building name is Sirhindi Mosque, which was constructed in the memory of second wife of Shah Jahan. But she was Hindu and Shah Jahan was a Muslim. That was a political marriage. No love marriage. Just like a, just for the Hindu Muslims together. But he don't love, no children, just a paper marriage. And that's the western gate. Outside of that gate, there is another building. The building name is Fatehpuri Mosque, which was constructed in the memory of third wife of Shah Jahan. But it doesn't mean Shah Jahan was a very busy man, but he loved only Mumtaz Mahal. That's why he built that building. She was also Hindu, just a political marriage. And this is a very important gate, the south gate, because outside of that gate, 8,000 people are still living, are family members who used to work in the construction of Taj Mahal, the descendants, and still they are living here. I told you already. And can you see the rooms here? These rooms around the courtyard, these are the worker rooms at that time. When they worked here, they lived here. And the worker I told you came from Persia. So they lived 22 years after that, they never back their country. So generation by generation living here. And you can see there is no gate and doors. Actually that time they used a hanging carpet. Yeah, and this was a very biggest treasury. We are standing here and that thing everywhere were the carpets with the golden strings. That carpet has been looted when the British came here. And I told you about the inlaid work in the semi-precious stones. Can you see the work making a flower or like that?
Right.
These are the semi-precious stones in the white marble. But if you compare them Taj Mahal, this work is nothing. It's just a token, I told you. And you know the book of Islam, Quran, the whole book, like 28 lessons of Quran are inscribed in the Taj Mahal. And that's not a writing, that's a black onyx into the white marble. So, and can you see the people are going inside in the middle of the gate? I will show you, there is a door now made of bronze. But in the Shah Jahan's time, there was a door made of pure silver worth of rupees 1.5 million rupees. And this door had 1100 nails studded with 1 silver rupee of each nail top. It was also stolen and melted. The British came here. And I told you that stone, semi-precious stone, that time it was perfect. I mean, just imagine. That thing, everything was looted here. Without that thing, Taj Mahal is still beautiful. Without those things, British here more than like 150 years. That was a very long history actually. Yes, like that. And I will explain you more slowly. Let's go inside and I'll tell you more about this history.